Hey, what's up guys, it's Sparkpair again and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you this, which is the Supremacy pack by Skycrafter, and this will be the last part of my Firework stash for Bonfire Night 2020. So this pack was recommended by Dusky Fuse, so I just had to get it. I mean, you can see the size of it. So yeah, I'm just going to show you this box and show you what's inside it. So yeah, let's get to it. So it is a huge box, and there is 3,713 grams of NEC in the entire box. As you can see there. So yeah, there's 12 packs, and there's 12 barrages, sorry, in the pack, and there's 247 shots altogether. So just turn this around. So first we've got these smaller barrages, smaller cakes, which is the Sabini, Mafia, Shelby, and one last one, which is Kimber. So you have them 4 cakes, which are the similar size and similar weight. As you can see, the information on each of them: 42.4, 92.4, sorry, 85.2, 96 and 85.2 in them ones. So you get them 4 cakes in there. Next one I'm going to come to is a larger one, which is this fanned effect cake, which is called Wisdom. As you can see there, it's fanned. And there's 432.5 grams in there. Category F2, which seems a bit weird for the size of it, so don't know about that. But yeah, that's wisdom cake, which is fanned. So there's that one. The next 4 we're going to come to are a little, not the next 4, we're going to come to these 2 smaller cakes next as well, which is the Wop or Whoop, however you say that, and the Garrison. And I think there's similar grams to the small ones in this one. Yeah, 85.2 and 92.4. So yeah, them similar to them ones, the smaller ones there. So these next 4, like I was gonna say, are larger now. Just a sec. So here's the first one, which is incredible. As you can see there. And there's 423.3 grams in this one. Like I say, you get 4 of these, so there's that one. Then we have the Intense. Sorry for the shaking a bit and that, because these cakes have got some weight to them, and I've got to take them out of the box with one hand, so that's why all the shaking and stuff. So yeah, this is the Intense, and there's 442.5 grams in there. The next one, again, sorry if there's some shaking about, is this, which is the Remarkable. And there's 442 grams in that. So that's a Remarkable one. 25 shots in each. And the last one of these 4 larger cakes is, if I can get it, is this one, which is the exceptional, which has 442.5 grams in there as well. So yeah, them are the 4 medium sized cakes you get in this Supremacy pack. And next we come to the largest one. Just a second, because this is even heavier. Which is this. Which is the maximum. As you can see there. As you can see the size of it. Compared to one of these littler cakes, it is gigantic compared to one of them. So yeah. And there is a massive amount of powder in here, which is 925 grams, as you can see there. So yeah, I think this is the finale piece there. But I'm thinking of using this one for New Year and not Bonfire Night, and that one there as well. So this one and that one for New Year, and using these 4 and them 6 for Bonfire Night. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. And we're also having Bonfire Night on the 4th, on Wednesday the 4th of November this year. It's because the government have brought in a new national lockdown on the 5th, on Bonfire Night itself. Which is kind of typical really, but it has to go ahead because of the virus and that. So we're having it on the 4th of November instead. So yeah, that was the last part of my Firework stash for Bonfire Night 2020. The Supremacy pack. And yeah, I might do a video of my entire stash altogether. So keep a lookout for that. I'm not 100% certain yet, but I'm thinking about it. So if I do, that'll come before Wednesday. So yeah. So thanks for watching guys, and stay safe.